Here we are at the Medalist at the front of the house. Beautiful curb appeal. Just going to show you down the street. You've got oak trees lining the street. The other homes are nice on the street. You have an extended paver driveway, 3-car garage, some stonework on the front. Really some nice detailing. Then that goes into the etched glass front doors. Once you enter, you can see all the way through and see the lake out there. You have this wonderful light fixture with a crown molding in the tray ceiling. To the right, you have a niche area going into the second bedroom. You have plantation shutters, again another tray ceiling with crown molding. Very nice. That leads into the ensuite bath with 2 sinks. Lovely tile work as well in the shower. That goes into the den, which could also be considered the 5th bedroom because it does have a closet. Beautiful flooring. Coming across the hall leads you into the powder bath. Coming on down the hall leads you to the 3rd bedroom. Also plantation shutters. Very nice. You have a laundry room, plenty of extra cabinets here. That leads into the 3-car garage. This is the bathroom for that bedroom. You have 2 sinks again. And that leads into the ensuite bedroom. Also plantation shutters, and it has a walk-in closet. Coming back out to the main area of the home, we have the dining area. Again, some tray ceiling with crown moldings. And a gorgeous gourmet kitchen. Thermadore stainless steel appliances, quartz countertop, stone backsplash. Very nice. I love this big counter here. That looks onto the breakfast area. Really nice lighting fixture. And that also, the living room looks out to the pool area. And you've got this beautiful marble flooring. Going into the master bedroom, you have this large entryway. You have a special mica finish on the walls. Double door entry. And you can see the master bath is very spacious. You have a his and hers vanity. Real large shower. Beautiful mural on the wall. We do have a bidet in the restroom area. In this, you have double closets, his and hers, with upgraded built-ins. And in the master, again, you have beautiful tray ceilings with crown moldings, looks out to the lake. You also have a push-button automatic blinds that come down for total darkness. Lovely. Coming back out into the living area. There's also automatic shutters for the living room area. Here, you've got the cabana bath. That's right off the pool area. Coming out here, you have a large covered area, plenty of space, and you also have a outdoor kitchen with grill. You have an infinity pool looking out over the lake with all the brick pavers around it. It's a saltwater pool, and it also has an upgraded pool heater. What a way to enjoy the Florida lifestyle.